So today we have the portable air pump. It has a digital screen and it shows you all the features here with the cycle button. We have the motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, sports mode, pool equipment mode, and of course the automobile mode. It does come with a power supply just in case you forget to charge it. It also has a charger, type C to USB. Here we have the nozzles and needles for all the equipment, and here's the hose. You just screw it onto the device and it's good to go. It also serves as a flashlight, which it does have a button down here and a charger. Something I did notice that it has different ways to measure the pressure inside your tire. All you have to do to change the mode is hold on to the cycle button, and it has all these. I'm gonna go by PSI. I already have it set to 35. Let me give it a go. All you have to do is press the button. I currently have my earphones connected to it. As we can see, the light is not on, but as soon as I turn this on, we can see that it's charging.